Hey everybody, Dave Hamilton here from Mac Geek Gab out at CES 2025 in Las Vegas. Today I got to talk with the folks at Oclean, and they've got a really cool new water flosser, right? But this one has an air pump and a water pump in it to give you way better stream. And you'll see here, this thing's great. It's built to travel, charges with USB-C. The nozzle is removable and actually goes down inside it so that it travels really nicely. And when he turns this thing on, this thing fires across the room with a huge amount of force. And there are three speeds that you can set on it, which allows you to, get either different force or different frequency. I tried it at all of them, all three speeds, and it did its job without obviously hurting me, which is, of course, a really good thing. What they also were showing was a sonic travel toothbrush. This thing, $15. Amazing. So it's got a case that's also the handle, fits right in there. It also charges USB-C. It's good for like 4 months with a charge, and it sits in your travel kit. $15. I know, freaking amazing. $15 for that. $70 for the Air Pump A10, which is the water flosser. And you can check them out at Oclean's website, which we'll put in there. Thanks so much for watching our CES 2025 coverage. Stay subscribed here for more because you don't want to get caught missing out on all the cool stuff we're here finding at CES in Las Vegas. Thanks. See you next time.